Hello, SAT math people. Today we're going to practice solving a system of linear equations two different ways using substitution. Okay, let's do some math. If 5a plus 3b equals 35 and a over b equals 2 over 5, what is the value of a? So first we're going to take the second equation, a over b equals 2 over 5, and cross multiply. And we get 5a equals 2b. Now we notice that we have 5a in the first equation, that is equal to 2b, so I'm going to substitute that in, and we get 2b plus 3b equals 35. Add 2b and 3b, we get 5b equals 35. Divide both sides by 5, and we get b is 7. We're not looking for b, we're looking for a, so we can put that b into either equation and solve for a. So let's substitute into the second equation, a over 7 equals 2 over 5. Everywhere you see a b, you're going to put 7 and solve for a. Multiply both sides by 7. The 7's cancel, and you get a equals 14/5. And a is the answer. The second way to solve is, again, we're going to cross multiply that second equation, 5a equals 2b. But now we're going to solve for b more directly. So solve for a more directly by solving for b here and substituting that answer back into the first equation. So divide both sides by 2, and we get b equals 5a over 2. Now we're going to substitute that into the first equation. 5a plus 3, everywhere you see a b, you're going to put 5a divided by 2 equals 35. So 5a, I've factored out 5a from the first two terms here, and I get 5a times 1 plus 3 halves equal to 35. So 1 plus 3 halves is 5 halves, so I get 5a times 5 halves equals 35. And 5 times 5 halves is 25 halves. So I get 25a equal to 35. I multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 25 halves to get a by itself. So that's multiplying both sides by 2 over 25. And I get a is equal to 35 times 2 over 25. And if you divide the top and bottom by 5, you get 7 times 2 divided by 5, and that's 14/5. And a is still the answer.